Question number 34.
If
If
x is equals to a cos theta
x is equal to a
cos theta
cos theta
plus b sin theta
plus
b sin theta
b sin theta
and y is equals to a sin theta
y is equal to a sin theta
minus b cos theta
minus
b cos theta,
b cos theta.
prove that
Okay, prove
x square plus y square
x square
plus y square
plus y square
is equals to a square plus b square
is a square
plus b square.
plus b square. Okay,
Yes, sir.
a square plus
B square.
b square. Okay, so taking square both sides, taking
Square both sides.
square both side, both side, right? So we have x is equal to a sin theta. Oh, sorry. X is equal to a cos theta
Plus b sin theta
plus b sin theta whole square, taking square both side, so it becomes x square is equal to a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta, right? And if I take y square, y is equal to a sin theta plus minus b cos theta. So taking square both sides, so y square is equal to a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta, right? So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. On adding, so we get x square is equal to a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta, or y square is equal to a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. You get it? On adding now. So this is plus minus is gone. So this y square x square plus y square is equal to, if we take a square common, oh my god, I wrote wrong. This is a square, here should be a square sin square theta. है ना, and here b is cos square theta, cos square theta, ठीक। तो a स्क्वायर cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस b स्क्वायर इज साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos square theta, right? As sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so here will be so this y square I have taken out, yeah, this is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to, this is going to be 1, and this is also going to be 1, so we get how much, x square plus y square is equal to a square bracket 1 plus b square bracket 1, or we can say x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. You get this? This is, we have question number 34. You get this? Taylor?
Yes, sir.
What is next question?
Question number 33.
What is that?
If sine
Question number 33.
if sine theta
If sin theta
plus cosec theta
plus cosec theta,
is equal to 2,
cosec theta is equal to 2.
find the value sine theta,
Find
the value sine square theta,
value of
sine square theta
sin square theta
plus cosec square theta.
plus cosec square theta. This is how you do this. You know the equation a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square
plus 2ab.
plus 2ab, right? So what we can do, and if you bring this on this side, so a plus b whole square, you just look at here, 2ab is equal to minus, it is a square plus b square. If a is equal to sine theta and b is equal to cosec theta, then what happens? Put these values here. So you get sine square theta plus cosec square theta, right, is equal to sine theta plus cosec theta whole square, है ना, whole square minus 2 into sin theta into 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta, na? I'll convert that. This is cancel out. So how much you get here? Sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2. So we put here 2 square minus 2. So it becomes 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So sine square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to 2. This is the value we get. What is your answer? Now come to question number. Which question we were doing?
Sir, 33 we have done. 33 we have done.
So which one we have to do?
32.
Question number 32. What is that?
1 minus sine square
1 minus
sine square theta
sine square theta
upon 1 minus cos square theta.
upon 1 minus cos square theta
Sir, root over.
whole
Yes, sir.
root over
Simplify.
simplify. Fine. So you know what we can do here. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we can write 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta, or 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. So on putting values here, 1 minus sine square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta, there is 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta upon sine square theta, root over. We can write cos theta upon sine theta whole square root over. This is equal to cos theta upon sine theta is equal to cot theta. Cot theta whole square 2 into 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. You get this is cot theta. So we get cot theta. This is simplified. We get this?
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
Cot theta.
We get that. Next. What is next?
So prove the following.
What are those following, man?
Bracket sin a plus cos a whole square.
Yeah.
Bracket sin a plus cos a whole square.
Show me. Which one? This is question number
31.
31. What is that?
Bracket sin a
Sin A
plus cos a square.
cos A
Square.
square.
Yes sir. Cos a whole square.
Cos A whole square
Plus bracket
plus bracket
sin a
sin A
minus cos a
minus cos A
whole square.
cos A
Whole square
whole square
is equals to 2.
is equal to
2.
2. This is, so we take LHS.
So there are 2 more parts left.
Pardon? This is part 1.
Yes sir.
Okay. So this is, we write sin A plus cos A theta means we will use here A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? And A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB, right? So LHS sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A plus sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin A cos A, right? Then this plus 2 minus 2 sin A cos A minus 2 sin A cos A is cancelled out, right? And this is going to be sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, and sin square A plus cos square A is going to be 1. So we get 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is equal to RHS. Done? What is second part?
Cot square a
Cot square A
minus 1 upon sin square a
minus 1 upon
sin square
sin square A
a is equals to 1.
is equal to 1. Okay. Okay. So we take LHS here. So cot square A can be written as cos square A upon sin square A minus 1 upon sin square A. Is it? Now we come to this side, that is, we have taken sin square A as a common, and we get what? Cos square A minus one. What is the answer? Minus 1 or 1? Something you told me wrong?
In the second part,
Hmm.
cot square a minus 1 upon sin square a plus 1 is equals to 0.
Plus 1 is equal to 0, na? What you are telling me, man? Plus 1 is equal to 0. That is okay. So here will be plus 1. So here will be plus 1. So what we do here, this is, we take minus as a common. It becomes 1 minus cos square A upon sin square A plus 1. So this converts into sin square A. So minus sin square A upon sin square A plus 1. This is cancel out 1. So we get minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Hence RHS. You told me the wrong question, na? Done?
Done, sir.
What is third part? Question number 31, na?
Yes, sir.
Third part, no answer will be there because it is proving.
So not
Question number 31. Question number 31. Third part. What is that?
1 upon
1 upon
1 plus tan square A
1 plus
tan square A
tan square A
plus
plus
1 upon
1 upon
1 plus cot square A
1 plus cot square A
is equals to 1.
is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to 1 upon 1 plus tan square A, right, plus 1 upon 1 plus what? Cot square A,
Cot square A.
right? How you can do it? One plus tan square A is equal to sec square A plus 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A, right? And this is the formula we have, that sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A, right? And cosec square A is equal to cot square A plus 1. This is, we have formula. So I put the values here. And this sec square A is equal to 1 slash cosec square A plus 1 upon cosec is 1 slash sin square A, right? They goes up, then what happens? It is cosec square A upon 1 plus sin square A upon 1. 1 you have taken LCM, it is cosec square A plus sin square A. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Now we know that. We know this cos square A plus Sine square A is equal to what? So we write here 1 upon 1 is equal to 1 is equal to RHS. And this is the question number 31.
Yes, sir.
You done this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.